Top 5 must-have math equipment. First, we have Reckon Rec. Reckon Recs make counting fun for kids by sliding the beads. They develop subitizing skills, and grouping the beads helps support their addition and subtraction skills. Second, we have Numicons. Numicons help kids visually understand the value of numbers. They recognize number patterns better, and it boosts their number sense and recognition. Third is MathLink cubes. With these cubes, kids can connect the cubes to understand how numbers get bigger and disconnect them to understand how they get smaller. It's also good for pattern making and creative rearranging. Fourth, base 10 blocks. These blocks assist kids to grasp number groupings, add and take away, and recognize quantities and numerical patterns. Fifth, 100 square. This is where it all comes together. With this, kids identify the actual number, can use it to count in order, skip count, and spot numerical patterns.
Like and subscribe to think better and build yourself up, kid.